I got this order to design, and first I start working and I design it on Procreate. I just copied and paste the design, and this is the look. And after that I uploaded this design on Design Space, and I fixed some things that was showing that need. And after fixing, this is the shirt they provided me to place the patch. I start working on the shirt. I place it on the center, and once after that I was placing the design, I put the heat, and I realized the shirt color was coming off, and the white patch turned into a little bit red when I heat it up. So I just go ahead and I placed it on the other shirt too, because I realized that the shirt color is coming off and white patch turned into red. But I can't do anything now, and I was feeling bad, like it's my fault, but it was not even my fault, because the shirt they provided has some like color issue. They should have washed it before giving it to me. And this is the final picture. Let me know, what do you guys think about this?